ICT is not gonna save your trading career. The reason to do so is because it's not gonna take the trades instead of you. The second thing is you should utilize everything. In the end of the day, trading is supply versus demand. What I mean by this is, let's say somebody's volume profile trader, let's say, he's seeing a point of control of the range, and some other trader is trading Fibs. And very often it happens that the point of control is in confluence with, let's say, the golden pocket. The ratio between the 618 and the 65 or 66, depends what you use. And this place, this level or area is gonna create a specific interest, influence, confluence, whatever you want to call it, point of interest. Is gonna create that place, and when price reaches that place, the reason we get a reaction there is because the people that saw that place are gonna participate. This is the reason. Next thing that I want to mention is, in my opinion, a lot of the things he's talking about is very good for beginner traders, extremely good for beginners. But let's say you go to a prop firm, let's say you go in London, you go to Axia Futures, talk with any of their professional traders and ask them, do you trade ICT? They're gonna tell you no. They're gonna tell you, let's say, TPO charts. And TPO charts is time, price, opportunity chart, which is basically, I have a video explaining about it, I'm not gonna talk about it now. But you have to think about it, what the professionals are actually using. I'm talking about the big guys, the people that have millions and billions of dollars. They don't talk about algorithms, they don't talk about banks. Why? Because algorithms, there are so many algorithms out there, there's so many trading bots out there that it's very hard to make a difference. And a lot of times, people blame algorithms for taking their stop loss or doing something bad to them. In my opinion, you just put your stop in the wrong place. Let's start with that. Second thing is, actually people avoid accountability. When you avoid accountability, you get in a bad place, in my opinion. You should always be accountable for your moves, you should always be accountable for the trades you take, and you should never blame somebody else for the decisions that you took that reflected your balance and your equity. Next thing that I want to talk about ICT, he's trading very often the ES, most of the times ES. He's trading it on the 1 minute time frame. Now, let's say me, the way I trade ES is totally different. And why I'm saying this? The reason I'm saying this is because there are many methods that can be profitable, that can make you money in the end of the day. And you should try different things, find what works for you. ICT is not gonna go and carry your trades and make you profitable, it's not gonna make you pass challenges, make you millions of dollars, etc. It's all up to you what decisions you take, and be accountable for the decisions you take. These are some of the things that I want to talk about ICT. He's also talking about very often about order flow. Guys, you don't monitor order flow by viewing candles, which he's saying. He's viewing candles on 30 seconds or 1 minute time frame. He's like, I'm monitoring the order flow. Bro, it's in the words, order flow. You should view the orders that are flowing into the market. And what I mean by this is looking at limits, markets, delta, open interest, volume, net longs, net shorts, liquidations, short liquidations, long liquidations, all of this that is happening into this moment, okay? And some of the things that actually can show you order flow is, let's say, ExoCharts, Atos is free, ExoCharts is paid. I know some people implement this onto your MetaTrader, that's BS for me, we're not 2005. We're in 2023, and there is so many softwares we can use, CR charts, some people use Hyblock, I don't like Hyblock. There's many things which you can use, but to say that you're looking into the order flow on 30-second time frame, you're looking into the tape, this doesn't make any sense for me. Now some more bashing that I'll do, I'm calling it bashing because this actually happened. He was talking about he's gonna participate in a Robin, I think it was Robin's tournament, which actually is like a traders tournament. And he was talking about, yeah, I'm gonna get involved, I'm gonna win it. The guy never got involved. He was talking about he's stepping down. I think he stepped down in 2017 or something like this. Anyway, he said he's stepping down from the game, he stepped down. There's some negative things which I don't want to get into, but I don't have the 100% trustworthy opinion. But however, the trading industry, the forex industry, is full of scams. So in my opinion, you should go into different places, different people, find what is valuable for yourself, try it yourself, pick it yourself, don't make anybody else pick something for you. Your decisions are your decisions in the end of the day. Stay wise.